What is up, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, it's been a minute since I recorded, but I'm out with the car club. We getting ready to go to a car show in Rockingham at the big track. And look at Zay back there.
Another episode. Today we got the 30 South car show.
Make sure y'all go follow his channel. It is JTX717. But we got a few cars out here. We're waiting on some more people to come. You know, look at the green. It's some other cars other than Mopar. Oh, let me show y'all June wrap. I don't know if y'all remember. His wrap used to be like a black camo. This is what he got now. The regular color is the cinnamon. Got some more people pulling up now. Drizzy with the white wheels.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, that's the guy, man. I already follow him.
Y'all want to say something?
What we doing? We got Ellis out here.
Catch us rolling, man. Just catch us rolling.
Y'all want to sign on Instagram?
Nah.
Let's go. Man, live life. Ellis RT. Niggas ain't doing it like me. This shit really a scam.
Hey, how you doing? What's up, June? You gotta say something for the channel. I done got your car on there.
Hey, listen, man. It's your boy June Toy Cat, man. Hey, look, man. If you following Slime Pack, man, y'all foul. Just foul. Follow Slime. Press, push, like, subscribe, buy her merch. It ain't cheap merch. That's another thing. Be careful what you buy from a lot of these car people. This shit, you wash it, don't you worry one time it's all fucked up. Her shit, keep it for a lifetime. You feel me?
You tell them you got some merch too now.
I got your merch too. I don't got everything out here right now. I'm trying to get everything together. But look, follow, like, subscribe, your boy June Toy Cat, man. Hey, man, I'm just trying to go up like everybody.
Oh, man.
It's been a minute. Hold on, let me get you in the sunlight.
You look shouty. I got to put the whole fit on. I know how you doing your videos. Hold on.
Oh, he got to put his fit on, y'all. So we're gonna cut right there. Go ahead and say something, Zay.
Man, hey, what's going on? What's going on, Slime?
It's been a minute.
Again. We about to turn up today. Yeah, you know we've been grinding on this YouTube. I done joined the journey. Slime got me right, man.
Y'all check his fit. Check the fit.
Hey, look, something. Hey, look, custom jeans.
101.
101. You know what I'm saying?
Let me see the back.
Get the hoodies too. Really how to go. Website going up. Hey, look, that's gonna be in the description. That's going up. Let's see. We're going crazy today, man.
You sliding today?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I'm competing today. I ain't gonna lie. They said that if the track messed up, I don't know. It depends. They said what the gravel looking like.
I don't know. I ain't going out there, man.
Oh, the car store status. I ain't gonna lie. Them white looking clean.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. 4 in the morning cleaning them bitches with a dish rag and hot water.
You can tell, motherfucker.
Hey, you feel me? How you doing?
What's going on? Hey, you got new letters and everything, then?
You ready for the fashion show?
You know, we gotta clean them up. Hey, look, man. I got a whole nother pair of sneakers in the car that show you something. Hey, look. Hey,
They know how you do.
hey, nigga, these my driving shoes. These my driving shoes.
Boy, my shit like that.
Alright, y'all, so I done made it out here to the Rockingham Dragway Strip. I think that's what it's called. You know, they got a lot of copyright out here playing, so most of what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around and show y'all what they got out here. They got a lot of custom stuff, a lot of custom trucks. Y'all know I love trucks, and let's see what I can see. I didn't get my car in to be judged. I'm just out here to spectate, make some content, meet some people, and go home. But this right here is the drag. It's pretty big. I think they redoing the strip. A lot of people are still pulling up. And we about to get over there and get this content. So make sure y'all like this video, drop a green emoji. When the video is over, we'll come back and leave a comment.